Hey guys, my name is Damien Belak and welcome to a brand new video here on my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without being monetized. So you can make a lot of money even if you have a small YouTube channel like myself, okay? So if you think that you need thousands of subscribers online to make a decent amount of money online, well, that's not true. I only have 4,000 subscribers and I make a full-time income online, okay? Okay guys, so the first way you can make money on YouTube without being monetized is through leveraging affiliate marketing. Now this is one of my favorite ways to make money on YouTube without being monetized, because you basically sell other people's products, okay? You don't even have to create them. So it's a simple business model where somebody creates the product, you send customers and they give you a cut of the sale, okay? So for example, you can sell Amazon products and they give you a 4% commission on each product you sell through Amazon, okay? But Amazon is just an example. You can sell thousands of products online, and this business model does work, and it's really easy for beginners because it's risk-free, okay? So you already have done for you high converting offers, multiple niches, so you can promote offers in the health niche, in the make money online niche, in the wealth niche, in the diet niche, okay? There's just every single niche you can think of, there's probably going to be a product in that niche, okay? There's also high ticket offers. So these offers are basically where you make about $1,000 per sale or $500 per sale, okay? So these offers are called high ticket offers. And for example, a high ticket offer is Legendary Marketer, where you basically sell a $2,500 course and they give you $1,000 cut, okay? Now the only con on affiliate marketing is that you don't get 100% of the sale. You usually get about 20 to 40%, okay? So that's the one only con, I would say, okay? Now the next perfect way of making money on YouTube without being monetized is to sell your own course or ebook. Now guys, I know that it's hard to create an online course, and what would you think of, okay, to make that online course? But guys, don't worry. I have 4,000 subscribers. I have my own online course. I have a CPA marketing course. I also have a couple of ebooks, and it's really not that hard to make that course. Leveraging your own product, making your own product is very good, okay, if you know what you're doing, because you get 100% commission, okay? So you set a price. For example, you set your course to be $97 and you get $97, okay? It's just really that simple. So you get 100% commission. There's no competition because you have a unique product, okay? There's nobody else selling that product but you. You can control the product, okay? You can edit, add, or delete content at any time, okay? So you can update the course lifetime, okay? You can update it at any time. Now, your price, your profit, as I mentioned earlier, the price you give, the price you get, okay? So 100% commission. Now, the cons of creating your own course or ebook is obviously it can take days or weeks to create. Now, when I was making my first online course, it took me 2 weeks to create that course. I was working every single day. So it's really not that easy to do that, okay? And if you don't know what you are doing, you can put hours, weeks of work into that course, and then at the end when you're going to be marketing that course, no one's going to buy it, okay? That's just the hard reality. You have to know what you're doing, okay? So you don't know if your audience will convert and like the product. That's another con, I would say, okay? But overall, creating your own first course or ebook is a great way to make money without being monetized on YouTube, okay? Now, the next thing I would say is, where would you create your first online course? Well, you can use Teachable, ClickFunnels, Thinkific. There's a lot of platforms you can do that on, okay? I personally use ClickFunnels because that's what I use to do everything online. I do all of my websites and ClickFunnels, everything, okay? So that's just what I prefer. Now, the next thing you can do to make money on YouTube without being monetized is to sell personal coaching. So if you're doing, if you have a YouTube channel in a specific niche, let's just say you're training dogs, okay? So you can set up one-on-one coaching calls with people interested with doing calls with you. Okay, so if you're doing videos on YouTube, training dogs, okay, to sit or whatever, you can mention that you offer one-on-one coaching calls, and then I bet that there's gonna be some people that want to hop on a call with you, and there's a lot of reason for that. And also I would like to mention that you get 100% profit. You charge per hour, and I just want to mention that I charge $50 for a 45-minute call, and that works great for me, okay? Because the hourly wage in Slovakia, where I come from, where I live, is about €5 per hour, so that's just miserable. So as you can see here, $50 for 45 minutes is awesome for me. And the next pro I can give is that you can build personal relationships with your clients. So this means that if you give them a good coaching call, they're gonna be coming back for more. Okay, it's just really that simple. I also want to mention, guys, that you can sell merch with your YouTube channel, but I recommend this for channels who are doing daily vlogs or YouTubers like that, because you do need a higher subscriber rate, about 100,000 to sell merch on a consistent basis. Okay, and merch is also great because it's your unique designs, it's a physical product, and word of mouth through logo. Okay, and before I end this video, I just want to show you the couple of websites I use myself. So for affiliate marketing, you can find awesome products on ClickBank. For basically just go to clickbank.com, and you can let me just refresh this page. You can go to Marketplace, and there's lots of products you can choose in which you can promote. Okay, so for example, let's just go to health and fitness, and you can pick a product like this. This is the average sale. You can just click promote. They're gonna give you a link, and there you go, you can promote it. Next is Warrior Plus. You can see the conversion rates here. So for example, this is a brand new product here on Warrior Plus. Tube Siphon Pro. This is probably affiliate marketing course. As you can see, it has over 1,000 sales. The conversion rate is 31%, and the average visitor value is $12. Sorry. So you can see everything what's going on in the back end. Okay. So if you send 3 people to this website, one is probably going to convert. Okay. So that's ClickBank and Warrior Plus for affiliate marketing. Then to create your own course or ebook, you can use Teachable. This is a wonderful, a great software which you can use to create an online course for free. I mean, they even give you a free plan, which I believe is, they give you a free plan to create your first course online, which is also great. Okay, and it's super cheap if you want to upgrade. Okay, $29. This is super affordable. Now the next thing you can do is, as I mentioned, personal coaching, mentoring. Okay, the calls, you can use Calendly. This is the one I use. They also offer a free plan. So basically, a customer comes onto your Calendly website, they book a call for you, let's just say 8 p.m. on Wednesday. You get the payment, you get a notification, and once it's Wednesday 8 p.m. you hop on Skype or something, and there you go. Really easy. And not the last one is you can sell merch. Print on demand. You can sell merch with Printful. Okay, they have t-shirts, hoodies. You can, there's just so many options with this website. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, I just want you to hit that like button below. Comment what you think. If you have any questions, make sure to hit me up on Facebook or my email. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I am uploading on a consistent basis, so you don't want to miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.